Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Apple Music to Waze. So connecting Apple Music to Waze allows you to control your music directly from the Waze navigation screen without constantly switching between the apps. So at first you will need to open Waze on your iPhone and make sure you are signed in. And start to drive or open the navigation screen, look for the music notes or audio icon displayed on the map and tap it, right? Also guys, you can just go ahead with the menu that locates at the top left corner. It's or it's like three lines, as you can see, or a profile icon depending on the version on your phone, and then just go with the settings. It's the third option right here, and now you will need to scroll down a little bit until you can find the audio player, right? So just go ahead and tap it. It's inside the driving preferences section. So here you will need to find the Apple Music and then just click or tap on install next to it. So for me, I have it really on my apps, right? So Waze, as you can see, will show compatible audio and music apps installed on your device. So just go ahead and select Apple Music if it appears, and if prompted, follow the on-screen instructions to give Waze permission to interact with Apple Music. And after connecting the apps, return to the Waze navigation screen and tap the music icon again and select the Apple Music to open its available controls. And depending on your device and the Waze version, you may be able to play or pause music, skip tracks, and access recently played content or playlists. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.